Good morning. This video is of lesson 5, that is morphology of flowering plants. After the description of the various terms used in flower, next we have to study estivation. So what is estivation? Estivation is defined as the mode of arrangement of sepals and petals with respect to one another. Estivation is mainly of four types. One is twisted, imbricate, then velvet, and then it is vertice-laster. So, four types of estivation are there. In case of first estivation, that is velvet estivation, the margins of sepals or petals just touch one another. There is no overlapping. For example, cassia. And in second case, one margin overlap the another margin, and this is the twisted. This is in case of China rose. And in case of imbricate estivation, the margins of sepals or petals overlap one another in any particular direction. Example, Gulmohar. Then last type of estivation is axillary estivation. In this, there are 5 sepals or petals. One is the larger one, and it encloses the 2 lateral one, and which further encloses the 2 smallest interior petals called keel. This type of estivation is known as axillary and is shown in Papilionaceae family. Now next is androecium. Androecium, when we talk of androecium, it means male reproductive organ. It consists of stamens which further consist of anther and filament. Each anther consists of 2 anther lobes which are known as pollen sacs, where the male gametes are formed. Now there are certain terms used in androecium. For example, one term used in androecium is epipetalous. Epipetalous means when the androecium arises from the petals, and when stamens are free, they are not attached with each other, then they are called polyandrous. And when the stamens are fused, they are called gamoandrous. And there can be monoadelphous condition, diadelphous, and poly. In monoadelphous, what mono means single, all the bundles are united to form one single bundle, and example is China rose. In case of diadelphous, the stamens are united to form 2 bundles, example P, and when more than 2 stamens are united to form more than 2 bundles, then it is called polyadelphous. For example, in citrus you find. The next reproductive organ, that is female reproductive organ, is gynoecium. So gyne refers to female. Female reproductive organ consists of carpels or pistils, and each pistil consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Ovary, inside the ovary, ovules are present where fertilization takes place. When the ovary ripens, it forms fruit, and when the ovule is fertilized, it forms seed. So when the carpels are free, they are not united, they are called apocarpus, and when they are united, it is called syncarpus. So next is the arrangement of ovules in the ovary. This is placentation. So today we have studied about the estivation, androecium, gynoecium, and next we'll study the arrangement of ovules within the ovary, that is placentation and its different types. Thank you.